In this video, I swap QDX tokens into USDT or BNB. Let's start the video. First, subscribe this channel and like the video. I provide a contact address in video description. First, copy this contact address. Copy and then click discover and search pancake swap. Pancake pancake swap. Open this. Then go to trade section. First, connect your trust wallet with then click here and paste contract address. So this token appear and click here and select USDT and click max. Then loading start. This takes some time, so wait. Then click on swap and confirm swap. Just give a permission. If you swap QDX token into USDT or BNB, so make sure you have some BNB in your trust wallet. Then you swap QDX tokens into USDT or BNB. First, transfer some BNB in your trust wallet. Then follow this process and swap your QDX tokens into BNB or USDT. I hope you have understand the whole process.